So I have with me the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon. The first thing that's noticeable on the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon is that it's got this carbon fiber coating right up front. Now, because it's a carbon fiber coating, it's really light. It measures just a little bit over a kilogram. They've just made refinements to the design, made it a lot more slimmer, and it's got more powerful internals. So now you have 8th generation Intel Core i7 or Core i5 processors powering the ThinkPad X1 Carbon. It's got a beautiful 14-inch display. Now this display has got really bright. You can get between 400 nits of brightness. Lenovo has also added another 4K Dolby Vision supporting display as another variant for the ThinkPad X1 Carbon. Everything else is pretty much the same. You've got the same chiclet keyboard, the red dot, the speakers right up on top. The 14-inch display is of course touch sensitive, and but looks like they're running some sort of demo version on top of it. So the front-facing camera, you don't have to place any sort of tape on it in case you're worried about the privacy. You can just slide this to the left-hand side, and that red dot means that the camera is blocked. In terms of ports, on the side you have an HDMI port, a USB 3 port, and 2 USB Type-C ports with Thunderbolt 3 support, and a DPI 0.2 port as well. On the right hand side there is a USB 3 port, a power standby button, and this vent to cool the ThinkPad X1 Carbon. This is not a Yoga, so it can only go up till 180 degrees. In terms of pricing, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon will start at $1,709 and it will go on sale from June 2019 onwards. So that was a quick first look at the ThinkPad X1 Carbon. Do not forget to follow, subscribe on tech2.com for more videos from CES. This is me, Nimish, signing off. Take care. Goodbye.